Is your BMW N62 V8 engine leaking antifreeze from the timing chain cover or coolant transfer pipe? Stop the leak fast and save thousands. Thanks to the patent-protected BIMMERFIX coolant pipe repair system, you no longer need to completely remove the engine from your BMW or even remove the intake manifold to stop this common coolant pipe leak. These old methods could cost you more than $5,000, but thanks to this new breakthrough BIMMERFIX repair system, you only need to remove the water pump and put in a stent. That's right, you only need to remove the water pump. That will save you lots of time or thousands of dollars in parts and labor charges. And BIMMERFIX is the only coolant pipe repair method with a lifetime warranty for as long as you own your BMW. The problem is that the front seal of the BMW's coolant transfer pipe can start leaking in as little as 40,000 miles on these models of 5 Series, 6 Series, 7 Series, and X5 BMWs from 2002 to 2010. Go to BIMMERFIX.com where you can check out the complete list of compatible BMWs, read customer reviews, frequently asked questions, and our lifetime warranty. You can also place your order, learn about our fast and free shipping service, and more. Go to BIMMERFIX.com for all the details, or you can call our customer service department directly at 520-544-4400. BIMMERFIX Products Company.